Welcome, friends, to the channel Classy Frugality. My name is Tanya, and I'm so glad you decided to join me today. Well, on today's video, I wanted you to come along with me on another free shopping trip. That's right. Today, we're going to 4 different destinations. I'm sitting here in the parking lot right now of Walgreens, where I have come to pick up a set of free Christmas cards and a free 8x10 photo. I found codes to get these items for free on www.huntforfreebies.com the other day. And while they were same day pickup was free. I couldn't make it that day. So I've come today, a few days later, to pick those up. I'll be able to use those Christmas cards for, obviously, to give away as Christmas cards, and then the 8x10 enlargement. I'm having that done of my son and my granddaughter so he can hang that in his office. I'm going to present it in a nice frame from Dollar Tree as a Christmas gift to him, and I think he'll enjoy it. Then follow me along to Kroger, then to Bath and Body Works, and finally to Wendy's. Let's go on in here to Walgreens and get my free gifts. Look at these beautiful cards. These were totally free. They were photo cards, but I didn't have any particular photo that I wanted to use. So I just went to the internet and found one of the Holy Nativity. And so I just uploaded that one. And look at, here's the back. It's got 6 of these. Came with free envelopes and everything. And then I have looked at my 8x10 enlargement, and I am so pleased with it as well. I had it done in, is it sepia or sepia? Sepia. Anyway, it is a beautiful picture. I'm going to be so happy to be using these at Christmas. Let's go ahead and go to Kroger. I've got a coupon for a free bag of Purina dog treats up to a $4 value. And then I also have a coupon downloaded to my Kroger card for a free container of Kroger ice cream. So that will tickle Prentice to death. I know he loves those. So let's go on to Kroger next. Okay, we're going in here. Literally all we're getting today is ice cream and dog treats. However, they're supposed to be having a sale in here today. I don't think I'm gonna get a cart, but supposed to be having a sale, or rather a holiday open house. So we'll check that out, see what that's about. I think I see one of the first free sample tables over here, and it's for apple cider. I've never actually had their apple cider, so I think I'm gonna go get some of that and try it. That was pretty good, actually. Oh, and I see somebody else up here. Let's see what she's got. Okay, so this is cute. This is some kind of pumpkin something from Starbucks, but she was giving away samples of that. I can't wait to try it. I wonder if that's cream cheese on top. I think it is. I think it's a pumpkin muffin with cream cheese. Looks like kisses. A few kisses left. And here, whoops. Get some of those. Put them down in my purse. I set down my ice cream and my pumpkin muffin thing because I am here in the dog treat aisle and I'm looking for this. But I think I found it. I can get up to a $4 bag of this, 6 ounce. And I'm getting the dog treats for Leonard. So it says busy dog treats or begging. I don't even see busy. Oh, I do see busy. Busy bone. Busy bone. Interesting. Those are more expensive. Okay. So I see 3 flavors here. There's original with bacon, bacon and cheese, and bacon and peanut butter. I'm gonna get him the bacon and peanut butter because I think he might like that. He takes his medicine in bacon. I mean, in peanut butter. So I'm gonna go for this one. Well, I got the goods. I ended up having to pay 20 cents tax on that bag of dog treats, but that's okay. That's fine. That's fine. I'm happy nonetheless. That pumpkin muffin from Starbucks was really good too. Anyway, I got my stuff and now we are going down the road to Bath & Body Works. Okay, here we are in front of Bath & Body Works. Here's my coupon. I feel like you've gone in here with me so many times and it looks super crowded in there. So I'm probably not going to film in there. I'm just going to go get the goods. It's a free full-size body care item up to a $16.95 value. So I'm going to get the goods, get in there, get back out. Well, I got the goods and I got the pretty bag that goes along with it. Sorry, trying to film in the car. It's kind of tight, but it was so crowded in there. So super crowded. There's no way I could have filmed. It was a sight. Anyway, I think I am going to forego going to Wendy's to get my free Frosty. Those coupons are good until December the 31st, so I'm going to skip that one now. I think 3 destinations is good for now. And we're going to go home, and that Kroger has made me want pumpkin muffins now. So we're going to go home and we're going to make some very easy, very cost-efficient pumpkin muffins. So let's go home. Well, those Starbucks pumpkin spice cream cheese muffins were delicious. However, they are $3.95 a piece. Now, I'm sure they're large. I didn't get a look at the whole muffin. I just had a sample of what the lady gave me in the little cup, but it was really, really good. I had been wanting to try this recipe anyway, and it's stuff that I already had in my cabinet. And so after I had that muffin today at Kroger, I thought it was the perfect time to do that. Plus, it's Thanksgiving. We're close to Thanksgiving. And you may be wanting to include some pumpkin as part of your menu plan for Thanksgiving, but maybe you don't necessarily want to make a pumpkin pie. Here is the perfect solution. This is a 3-ingredient pumpkin spice muffin using basic stuff that you may already have in your cabinet. If not, these things are on sale right now in lots of stores. I know Dollar General had cans of pumpkin for $1 a can. So this stuff is very affordable right now. Cake mixes are around $1, $1.25, $1.50. Very, very affordable. So here's what we have. I have a Pillsbury Moist Supreme Yellow Cake Mix. This is just what I happen to have in the cabinet. I'm sure I got it on sale somewhere. Otherwise, I would have bought the store brand. I also have a can of Great Value 100% pure pumpkin. Now, you don't want to get pumpkin puree or anything. According to the recipe, you just want to get a can of 100% pure pumpkin. I also have some pumpkin pie spice. Interesting note about this. This is the first time I've opened this. I remember requesting this as a freebie. I don't know, probably 4 or 5 years ago at least. I had never opened it because I have never actually made a pumpkin pie from scratch. So tonight was my first time opening it. I spilled some of it, but I'm anxious to get to try that. Now, I was reading on the website where I found this recipe. I'll leave a link to that website too. She said that if you do not have pumpkin pie spice, just buy a spice cake mix instead of a yellow cake. I would venture to say too, if you don't have any spices and you're at home and all you have is a yellow cake mix and a can of pumpkin, probably if you have some cinnamon, maybe a little bit of ginger, what's in pumpkin pie spice? Maybe some allspice or something. You could probably come up with something to make it taste good. So, all we're going to do is dump the yellow cake mix in just as is. Do not follow the directions on the box. You're just wanting to dump the mix into the bowl. Then you dump the can of pumpkin into the bowl and you add 1 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Okay, I've added our can of pumpkin in there. I've added our 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Now I'm just going to combine this until it's mixed. I got it all mixed up. It's a pretty thick dough. I sprayed some nonstick spray into 12 muffin tins, and I sprinkled that with some flour. And so now I'm just going to equally fill each one of those, and we're going to bake it in a 350-degree oven for, the recipe said 22 to 26 minutes, so I'll probably check that after about 24 minutes. While we are waiting on our pumpkin spice muffins to come out of the oven, I just wanted to show you again all of the wonderful things that I got for absolutely free today on our freebie shopping trip. Now, I told you I did have to spend 20 cents tax on the Purina dog treats, but that was fine. So here we have Purina dog treats. I got that coupon for free for downloading the Purina app and just becoming a member. It's free. I completed a profile for Leonard on there, and it sent me that free coupon. And at that time, this was about a couple weeks ago, at that time it gave me some fetch points for downloading the app. Don't know if that offer's still available, but that's the kind of stuff you have to watch for. I got the Kroger ice cream coupon just on my digital coupons. It just appeared on there because they know that I like to buy this chocolate ice cream. So they sort of track your spending habits, and then about once a month, they'll give you a coupon for a free item. Lots of times I get peanut butter. This time I got ice cream. Bath and Body Works, they send me free coupons all the time. You all know this. They've begun sending coupons for full-size items with no purchase required this time around. This is going straight into my gift closet. I got these beautiful Christmas cards, a set of 6 with envelopes from Walgreens. Now, if you have a Walgreens nearby, just sign up for a Walgreens reward card. I forget what the name of their reward program is, but just about all stores, it's free to sign up. CVS does a lot of the same things for their photo processing lab, and just keep a watch for these free codes. I get emails sometimes with the free codes, but this particular code, as well as the one for the free 8x10 print, came from Hunt for Freebies, HUNT, the number 4, FREEBIES.com. I always leave a link in the description box below. Finally, this is my favorite. This is a picture of my baby and his baby, and I shamelessly stole one of his photos from Facebook and saved it, and then just uploaded it to my Walgreens photo account and redeemed it for this absolutely free 8x10. I turned it into this pretty sepia tone print. This is a Dollar Tree picture frame. I had paid $1.25 for that, And I thought that would look great sitting in his office. Well, the muffins are done and the house smells absolutely wonderful. It was 24 minutes that I checked these, and I think that was a perfect time for these in my oven because the tops were just starting to get brown. I cannot wait to try these. These will be wonderful in the morning with a good hot cup of coffee. I will leave a link to the recipe in the description box down below. I hope you all have found today's video interesting, and I hope that it's given you some ideas on how to get some of your own free stuff. And I hope you make some of these wonderful pumpkin muffins. Give me a big like. Give me some big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Put down in the description, or down in the comments rather, what kind of special treats that you're planning on making for Thanksgiving. If you're not a member of the Classy Frugality family, hit that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you. Until I see you again, I hope you have a blessed day. Hey folks, I'm eating one of these and oh my gosh, it's so good, it's so moist. I forgot to add, it cost about $3 for all 12 muffins as compared to, I think it was like $3.96 or something, almost $4 for one Starbucks muffin. Make you some of these.